Hey girl, wanna see my new pets I got from the pet store?
Sure.
They're called Dominucanusis, which comes from the Latin form of helpful birds.
Whoa, cool. You want to see my new trick?
Sure, and they can save any life if they're just an inch away from dying.
Oh, cool. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, my arm.
Oh my goodness! Me and my birds will help you because they can save any life.
Ow, my head.
Sorry, yes. These are Dominucanusis, from the Latin form of helpful ball.
Ow, that hurt.
Sorry.
What the heck? Yeah, bye.
Thanks for listening. Kids, don't try this at home.
Thank you.
Listen.